up, MG gang 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 gang. It's your girl Melanin, and welcome back to my channel. And to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, what's poppin'? I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already though. In today's video, I'm giving y'all Storm. Like y'all ain't know, like it ain't like you don't know, like I come with the gray hair, it is what it is. This is a new unit. I had it before, bringing it back to you so I can share it with y'all and y'all can see all the decent stuff like that. This is it. I hope y'all feeling her. It is so soft. That's why I bought her again. The one I had before was about, I had it for like 2 years. I'm going to keep it this way with this style. I'm not cutting it, I'm not doing none of that. So yeah, if y'all feeling her, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what the vibe is, and I think that's it. And before you do anything, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all got that notifications bell on. Somebody hit me with the Noti Gang. So if y'all want to be with the notifications with the Noti Gang, official note of MG gang gang gang, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notifications bell. I don't know where it's at, on what side, but you need to click it. Okay.